Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your first Shopify store. First, begin by creating your Shopify account, which often includes a free trial period, typically lasting 3 days. Next, select a unique and memorable name for your online store that reflects your brand identity. Finally, accurately provide all your essential business details and contact information to complete the initial setup process. This foundational step is crucial for establishing your online presence effectively. Now, let's add your products. Upload your first items, ensuring each has a clear, engaging description and at least 3 high-quality images to showcase it effectively. Organize these products into logical collections, such as new arrivals or bestsellers, making it simple for customers to navigate your store. Remember to set competitive prices and diligently manage your inventory levels to avoid overselling. This step brings your store to life with your offerings. Next, it's time to design your store's appearance. Choose a professional and visually appealing theme from Shopify's theme store that perfectly aligns with your brand's aesthetic. Spend some time customizing your store's layout, selecting colors, and choosing fonts to create a cohesive and inviting look. Don't forget to add essential pages, such as an About Us page and a Contact page, to build trust and provide information to your customers. Finally, let's prepare for launch. Configure your shipping rates and define your delivery zones, considering options like flat rates or weight-based pricing. Set up secure payment gateways, such as Shopify Payments or PayPal, to ensure smooth and safe customer transactions. Before going live, thoroughly review all your store settings, from product details to legal policies. Once everything is perfect, you are ready to launch your brand new Shopify store to the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.